I'm Amy from Epoddle and I wanted to talk to you today about getting your business started for less. I'm a super firm believer in spending not a ton of money until you're making money. I never want anybody spending more than they should to get started. So I have a few kind of a list of things that I think are important in order to get you started, but will not break the bank. So realistically, your kit comes with almost everything you need. Really, there's nail strips in there that you can use on your own fingers for marketing purposes, to sell, to give away, to book parties with, uses incentives, so many ways to use those. They also give you 2Z samples, they give you some alcohol swabs, all the little things that you need to really get together some sample packs. And that's what's gonna get your business started, is these sample packs that you can give to people every time you meet them in person, or you can hand them to hostesses to kind of get their attendees excited about it, just to kind of get people an idea to start it out. So what I think is the most important thing is to get those sample packs looking good. But you can do that for not a lot of money. You're gonna wanna get some little baggies. These are a few bucks on Amazon. I'll link them below. And they're just probably like 3 inches by 4 inches, nothing big. They fit easily a 2Z and a little alcohol swab and these little nail files that all come in your kit. And if you don't feel like getting a business card is really in the budget right now, Vistaprint does often have free business cards, and on the back of them, it'll be advertising for Vistaprint. So totally you can do that too. But if you feel like that's even a little bit much, you don't wanna do the shipping on that, I would suggest little stickers, okay? So business cards or business stickers. Stickers are a really great option. These you can stick to the strips that came in your kit, or you can stick them right on the baggie. And so then it has all your information on it, your VIP page or your website, or how to order, that kind of stuff. So these are really good because they won't lose a business card and it'll just stick right on the baggie. So these baggies on Amazon, you'll get a couple hundred of them for like $5, super easy and budget friendly. My next one, and there's really not very much on this list, is that you need access to a computer or a phone. You need some way to get yourself to the internet, whether that be the library or just from your phone. I know a lot of people who don't even have a computer at home and just do their whole business from their phone. That will be your eSuite kind of online stuff. And then also you contacting people about the business, whether it be a Facebook group or just calling up your friends to host parties. Some way you need access to have communication via the intranets. That's a made-up word. And with that too, I would really highly suggest buying your own domain name. Your website name that Color Street will give you for your $10 a month subscription, that is gonna be kind of a generic, kind of some numbers and stuff like that. It's kind of not super easy to just tell somebody. But if you can think of your own domain name that really just kind of people can remember, that's really the best way. And that domain name can be purchased on somewhere like GoDaddy.com for as little as $20 a year, if not less. And then you forward that domain name to your Color Street website so that people can really remember you and not just Color Street when you talk to them. Say, you know, you can have it on your little stickers and you can have it on all your information so that they're able to remember you and not just Color Street. I think something else that is not necessarily a necessity, but I found these to be very useful and very inexpensive. This is a card on how to apply. And I'm gonna tell you right now, these are just printed from like a 9-cent printer at Walmart. And I use the graphic. My team gets these graphics that we have for you if you join my team. And these, I just doubled them and then I cut it in half. And it's literally a picture. Like you would print a picture on Walmart and they're 1 hour photo and you can just cut them in half. And this has directions on how to apply, also my information, my website, my domain name website. And I think it just is nice for people to see that. So I hand them this and my 2Zs in order to get that information. So they have it 2 places on this how-to, and they're not gonna lose this card because they wanna know how to apply it, right? And then I also have it on this sticker. So really, when it comes down to it, your supplies can be less than $20 to get started, and really you probably couldn't do it without it in just the stuff you get in the kit. There it is, an affordable way, just some extra supplies that are beyond your kit that will help you get started in this business. If you have any questions or want more information on how to get started, please email me at amy@epoddlenails.com. I'd be happy to chat with you. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions, or and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.